Well, folks, this is Yamil for Gunstock Reviews. We're here at C2 Tactical in Scottsdale, Arizona, our favorite indoor facility, and today we're going to talk about Shield red dots. And specifically, look at this. This is a Hellcat Pro in FDE. What looks different? Yeah, the red dot is black. And you're going like, well, yeah, this is the way it ships from the factory and all that. And you think, wouldn't it look cool if this one was FDE too? Well, guess what? At SHOT Show this year, they did. Look at that. An FDE is the same model, SMSc, in FDE. It fits perfectly and it looks great. I'm not going to screw it in, of course, because I need to take pictures of it and all that, but look at that. Looks fantastic. Looks actually, in my humble opinion, a little better cosmetically than the black one. But, to each, you have a choice, FDE or black. Your choice. So I think this is a great improvement coming from Shield. By the way, a British company. Those guys are funny as heck, especially when your conversations start about guns and end up talking about Monty Python. So, the conversation goes downhill from there. So, like always, guys, check this out. It's a great new product from Shield. It's a great addition if you happen to have an FDE pistol like the Springfield Armory Hellcat or Hellcat Pro. And like always, guys, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. And please remain healthy, stay safe, and definitely have fun at the range.
Thank you for watching Gunstock Reviews. Please visit our website at www.gunstockreviews.com for more exclusive content. Please visit our Patreon page at www.patreon.com/gunstockreviews. Your contributions would be greatly appreciated and help us grow our selections and frequency of videos.